Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2 Steps. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Likee account in few seconds. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to have Likee app in your mobile. If you don't have it, just go to Play Store and download it from there. And if you are using iOS, then go to App Store and install it from there. So here I have already downloaded my Likee app. So just click on the Likee app here. And to delete the account, you just need to go to your profile icon, which is in the bottom right corner. Just click on this. So right after that, this is your profile and click on the top 3 button. So now go to settings here. Right after that, in the top, you can see accounts. Just click on the accounts and you can see the 2 options here, either linked account or delete account. So now go to delete account here and click on verify and continue. So here are the terms of account deletion. So to delete your account, all the following conditions must be met. So read this and just click on the continue. So here read all the important items below and click on the tick mark in the bottom and just click on delete and confirm deletion. So your account has been deleted. So in this way, you can delete Likee account in few seconds. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.